If you want to create characters consistently with AI, you are in the right spot. I'm gonna show you how to nail it in just a few minutes, and at the end of the video I'll share another prompt so you can add a cool retro vibe to your final images. But first, we need a couple of things. A picture of our character's face, also a picture of the pose we want to mimic, and finally a Rendernet account. If you don't have it, you can sign up right now through Rendernet.ai and try it out for free with up to 10 generations a day. I'll drop the link in the description too. Alright, we got everything, so let's go! We head to Rendernet and click on Studio. By default, we have Magic Mode selected with the Canon mode, which we are gonna keep. And we are gonna add a couple more modes, Cinema, IMAX and HDR. The Canon mode is perfect for creating realistic images, while IMAX will give them a cinematic touch and HDR will make our images pop. I love all three, but you can pick whichever you like. Now let's set our character's face with Facelock. If you want to know how I create this one, you can watch the 3-minute tutorial on how to create an influencer for Sketch. Alright, now let's set a pose for our final image using ControlNet. We upload the image, this one I created earlier works perfectly, and then you can play around with the parameters as you like. I'm pretty comfy using open pose and a control mode where the prompt is more important. This gives the model a bit more freedom to create our final image. Onto the prompt, in magic mode, no need to overcomplicate, simple and straight to the point. Photograph of a woman at a nightclub. Very simple. Hit generate, and after a few seconds we'll have our images ready. The woman is the same and the pose is what we wanted. Alright, and as I promised, we're gonna give our creations a vintage air. We'll do this by tweaking the prompt a bit, which will look like this. Cyanotype effect on old photograph of a woman at a dinner, nostalgic 70s, 35mm film still. Keep everything the same, hit generate, and done. We got our image with a super cool retro touch. Tell me about your projects in the comments, and as always, all feedback is super valuable for keeping up the content. That's it, Tech Hala signing off. Bye bye guys.